In the previous episode, we erected the roof structure and Mom was happy. This week we do some plastering, pack some more retaining blocks, cover the roof, and we start installing doors and windows. So I brought in a plastering team to plaster the walls for us. They did quite a good job on the inside. Very neat, very accurate. Or so I thought. While the plastering was going on the inside of the house, my team packed some retaining blocks for the driveway. The area that I plan a future garage, on the plans it shows as a parking, and I need to build a 1 meter wall around it for safety. So Lucas is busy building that wall for me. I was quite impressed with the speed at which these guys are plastering. Here they already started with the insides of the bedrooms. Look at this, the lower level done. So Lucas is almost finished with this wall, and I am delaying the roof covering, but I have to do it. Here the interior bedroom wall is already plastered. This is the bedroom window. I left it open at the bottom so that they can gain access easier. The second bedroom is also almost finished. This guy is wondering why am I filming him. Meanwhile, outside they are struggling with the retaining blocks. It's quite a mission. Yesterday I passed on the highway and I stopped to take a photograph of the house. It looks so small. Plastering team started on the outside of the house. You can see I've done a scratch plaster on the outside. There was still a little bit of building to do. They had to do the beam filling in between the rafters and the trusses. So everything is coming along nicely. The stairs are almost done. And as you can see here, I've started to do the final work on the purlins of the roof so that I can put the roof covering up. Last week they built the manhole for the sewer connection, and there you can see it's already done. In this area there will be a 1 meter paving walkway around the house, and here will be a 2 meter paving in front of this window. I installed the fascia boards before I put the roof covering There's one section of the lower flight of stairs that's open at the bottom, and they are doing the shuttering to prepare to pour concrete there. There you go, the first roof sheets are up. I tried to get the roof as level as possible, and I'm quite happy with that. Okay, we put reinforcing into the stairs and poured concrete. The first windows are in. So the roof covering over the bedrooms are done, and I've installed the windows in the bedrooms. Here you can see I've done all the roof covering. It's only the reach cap that must be put on. With the windows installed, the builder starts doing the window sills. More windows are going in. We're preparing for the windows for the lounge and for the dining room. This will be the back door that goes in there. And this is the front door, and it will go in there. Front door is in, and let's have a look what it looks like from outside. The first sliding door is also in. This is the dining room. It's starting to look like a house now. In the passage behind the house, we have all our services, so we need to run a sewer line that goes to the guest toilet. It will also take the water from the basins and from the washing machine and dishwasher. I started drawing the wires through for the electricity, for the light switches and for the plugs. This photos was photos taken by a friend of mine. Over the December holidays, there was a huge wildfire. The fires came up to the corner of our stand, and luckily we had no damage. Next week, we continue building.